change religion, or suffer. The decision 11 million people face. China's Uyghur Muslim minority. They're disappearing from the streets, being shackled, tortured and raped. Children are being snatched away and organs being harvested. Religious items are being considered extremist and are being banned. Many Uyghurs have no option but to flee for safety, leaving their lives behind and seeking refuge in Turkey. Without food, homes or income, there are currently 50,000 Uyghurs living in Turkey. Forbidden to be Muslim. 3, 2, 1. What's it going to be? Protect the Uyghur. Demand action. Let's turn the internet blue. 1. Contact your MP, the Chinese embassy. Demand for the closure of camps. 2. Tell everyone. Share this video. 3. Donate to Charity Right today. Provide food packs to families who have fled but are now struggling alone in Turkey. Help support women with children whose husbands are missing or locked away. Forbidden to be Muslim. ForbiddenMuslims.org